How to make money selling on Amazon. Are you ready to make six figures selling on Amazon? Of course, selling on Amazon can be a profitable venture if you know how to do it right. Here are 9 steps to help you make money selling on Amazon. First, choose the right product. Select a product that is in demand and has low competition. Use Amazon's bestseller rank and product categories to research popular products. Second, source your products. Once you've decided on the product you want to sell, you need to source it. You can either manufacture your product, purchase wholesale, or drop ship the chosen product. Third, set up your Amazon seller account. In this case, you need to sign up for a professional seller account, which costs $39.99 per month. This will give you access to features like bulk uploading, reporting tools, and order management. Fourth, create your product listing. Create an informative and engaging product listing. By this I mean high-quality product images, a detailed description, and competitive pricing. Fifth, optimize your product listing. Use relevant keywords in your product title, description, and bullet points. This will help your product rank higher in Amazon search results. Sixth, manage your inventory. Keep track of your inventory and make sure you have enough stock to fulfill orders. Use Amazon's inventory management tools to help you track your inventory. Seventh, fulfill orders. When a customer orders your product, you will need to fulfill it. You can either fulfill it yourself or use Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon FBA service. 8. Monitor your performance. Monitor your performance metrics regularly to ensure you are meeting Amazon's standards. This includes things like your order defect rate, late shipment rate, and feedback score. 9. Promote your product. Use Amazon's advertising tools to promote your product. This includes sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display ads. Now, by following these steps, you can increase your chances of making money selling on Amazon. However, it's important to note that selling on Amazon requires effort and dedication. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with persistence and hard work, you can build a successful 6-figure business.